Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to design a custom desktop wallpaper in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application. So this is my Canva web application. And the next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a design. So how do you start creating a design on Canva? Two ways. There are actually two ways to go about that. First way is to create a design from scratch. That's from top bottom. And how do you do that? Click on create a design button at the top right corner of the screen to create a design from scratch. And then the next thing, or the second way, is to head over to the search bar and describe what kind of design that you want. And once you're done doing that, it's going to take you to a world of templates that you can choose from to facilitate your creative processes. So in this sense, all we need to do is to type on custom okay desktop wallpaper and then punch the enter key, and it takes you to a wide array of options, really beautiful ones. Now I'd like you to know that not all of these templates are free. Most of them are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade your plan to access those designs, but some of them are just absolutely free. So this is one beautiful stuff that we can use. Okay, so I'm just gonna open that up and let's customize this. Okay, sweet, customize. So scroll all the way down and seeing other options here, but actually catching my fancy, and they're free too. So I'm just gonna open this up. All right, customize this template. So it opens me up to the Canva Studio. So this is a really fantastic wallpaper, right? So I'm just gonna check how many elements here. Okay, so oh my world. This actually implies that this entire thing is the picture in its own. It's a picture on its own. All right. So the only thing that can be moved right here is this text. And how do you change the text? Just double click and some use you are more than enough. As you can see, the text is not text in at all. So I'm gonna reduce the size. Head over here and click on this. So it's 68. So head knowledge, and bring to 50. See if that works. So I'm gonna hold one end of my mouse, right? With one finger. I'm gonna hold my mouse pad with one finger and then the left button of the mouse with another finger and then raise it up. So here I'm gonna have to stretch this. I want to stretch this so that it's just gonna feel it out, and I think I have to reduce this again to, let's see, 46. So you were more than enough, and I want the text to be conspicuous enough. So I'm gonna have to click on this and raise it. Ooh, it really cannot be moved. So you're more than enough. That says it. If you want to change this background picture, so you can go over here to the left corner of your screen and click on uploads. So head over here to upload files and upload any file that you want to upload. Okay. Or I'm just gonna cancel this, or you can just choose from any of this. Let's say this, I want to drag and drop this. So just the same, one hand on your mouse pad, one hand on your left corner of the mouse. So just drag and drop. I have dragged and dropped it, so it's kind of delaying, but it's going to eventually pop up, like in a few. It's gonna pop. So that's why you have to ensure that you have a very strong internet connection, so that your design elements would not be hanging when you place an order on them. Okay, so this is my picture. So I'm gonna hold it, and so here we are. I'm gonna click on this three dots menu right there and scroll the way down and say replace background, and that replaces the whole background. But as you can see, the you are more than enough is not showing. Is of course because the text color has, you know, aligned with the dark colors of the picture. So I'm going to click on that and head over to here, text color, and change it to something brighter. All right. So white is actually cooler. So this, you are more than enough. I don't know if I still want it here or I just want to move it. But if I move it, you can see the brightness is just brightening up, and so it says, oh girl, the perfect way is to mix things up, because the actual thing I want them to see is that they're more than enough. The text for me is very important. So here I have my customized desktop wallpaper, and it is good to go. So once you're done, go ahead and click on share and click on download. Choose your download setting and ensure that it's saved on your systems folder. That's literally all you need, and that's all you need. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.